Hi guys, welcome back to the Big Blue House. In this episode, I'll be sharing my new office desk setup. Here's what my previous desk setup looked like, and my office video was one of the first videos I uploaded, so if you're an OG subscriber, thank you so much. Let's get started with the new desk setup. The desk itself is from IKEA. It's a 77-inch, I believe, and it has 5 drawers on each side. I really wanted this desk because it provides ample storage. You'll see in a minute how I've organized everything and how much space still remains. I wanted a clean aesthetic, and honestly I work better when there's not so much visual distractions and things in front of me. So this is also why I like the drawers, so that everything has a home and I don't actually have to keep it on the desktop itself. Here's a vision board of how I wanted my office desk to look like. Please note that I didn't buy everything at one time. I've been collecting these items throughout the year. The largest piece was obviously the desk, and it cost the most, so I had to save up for it. And I'm telling you that that's perfectly fine. And if you're able to go out and buy everything all at once, that's great. But if you need to take time, source the items, save up for them, then that's perfectly fine. Go for it. The first thing I purchased was the desk mat. I can't link the specific one because I got it from a random computer store, but there's a ton of different ones on Amazon to choose from. I like the desk mat over the mouse pad because that's usually just a small little square and you can't really move your hand around too much. The next item was the monitor. It's an Acer. It has a really good frame rate, which is why we got it. And then the mouse and keyboard I already had at home. I like the mouse because it's wireless. The wrist rest is from HyperX and it's really nice. It has this firm cushion inside. The speakers are from Amazon, and a while back my husband got them in black and they've been working great, so I got the same thing in white, and they're under $20, and keep an eye out for a sale because then they're even cheaper than that. The lamp is a Target score, which I got on clearance, and it provides additional lighting in the evenings. The monitor arm is also from Amazon, and it helps with the minimal aesthetic, I think, and allows you to place the monitor exactly to your comfort levels. So you don't have to like look up for too long, look down for too long, and it's really easy to move. You just have to swivel it. The phone stand is from IKEA. I think it's cute and it allows me to know where my phone is, or else sometimes it'll come under the books and things and you're just looking for your phone. The headphone holder and the headphones are both from Amazon. The headphones are from HyperX, and I previously had the black and red ones, which lasted over 4 years. So I basically got a very similar thing in white. And then under the desk is a footrest, also from IKEA. Okay, moving on to the inside of the drawers. So basically I wanted each drawer to serve a purpose. The first one holds my pens. The second drawer has post-its, tape, scissors, and other random stationery. The third drawer holds my planner and planner supplies. The fourth drawer has wires and electronics. And the last one is some miscellaneous items. I still have a lot of space in the bottom 2 drawers. Moving on to the other side, the top drawer is my morning drawer. I've seen a lot of people have a morning bag or a morning bin on YouTube, so I decided to make a morning drawer. It currently houses the book I'm reading, religious scripture, and a journal. So everything I need in the morning is right there. The rest of the drawers are my husband's, so I'm not going to go through those. In terms of decor, I've kept it very minimal. I have a bamboo plant from IKEA and some tissues. I'm sure you've seen the tissue in the plant pot hack by now. I like it this way so I can actually use the desk. I wanted the space where I can lay out my books and write and not have computer parts in the way. So this is it, my new office setup using mainly IKEA's and Amazon products. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!